Hello guys, ztailsexternal. Welcome to another episode of Bloons TD Battles. In this episode we're gonna do assault mode, and we're gonna go to the mega booster, which I don't know what this does. We'll find out. So okay. So some updates that will be coming to the channel is, I don't know if you saw it, but, that was a message from, the Coco, oh no, I accidentally went into it, help. That was the message from, fuck. Alright, well, okay, I accidentally clicked on the message. Alright, so something you might have noticed is I'm linking a bunch of channels in the, I'm gonna turn that down because I don't want you to hear that. So some updates that I'm gonna be going on with my channel is, as you might have noticed in my subscription box, I'm linking a bunch of channels, and I've changed it from Friends in Crime to, Coco Squad and Friends. I have joined a SMP called the Coco Squad SMP, and I'm gonna turn this back up. I have joined the Coco Squad SMP. They have chosen to merge with Torrent, which I'm a part of, and we were doing assault mode. But they merged with Torrent, and I'm joining it, and I don't have anything because I used it up. Alright, I'll just do classic then. But yeah. I missed the intro. The intro was today, and I missed it because I was having dinner with my mom. But I will be doing that. I hope to do some sort of collab with that. But let's go to Bloons and let's see what I can do here. So we'll do the normal, get a wizard out. He's got some magic. You know, the normal. It's just the norm. I'm gonna do this. So what I've noticed about Bloons TD Battles, like, it's kind of boring in the beginning because not much action is happening right now, but it gets better soon. I promise that. Okay, he's only got that, which is kind of good. Focus engineering. Okay. I'm gonna give him larger service. Larger service. Okay. Oh shoot. He completely updated that. We'll go to sprockets and then we'll save for a shredder. Sprockets and a shredder. What are right, you see how I have a list of towers from the builder down? What is this pigeon and these balloons right next to it? I don't know what those are. Alright, and I don't want to add any balloons because that's just the waste. He's gonna get rid of them with that thing. Fast reduction. The more projection is the merrier. Alright. The more projection, the better. I'm gonna save it for lightning bolt because it's getting into double-digit rounds, and that's when tons of balloons get out. And that also might be when this guy, player 100 player, starts getting a little frisky and decides to send in any balloons. I'm gonna get the lightning bolt just to hope if that is the case that occurs. Yeah, I just need 100 more for lightning bolt, and then we'll be set. Alright, I can get lightning bolt. Lightning bolt is a big help toward this. Alright. Oh yeah. He has the wizard. What I like to do is, if I'm going against a noob who doesn't have a, any weapon power that can, sense camouflage, like a wizard, I just set in a bunch of, like, the cheapest camouflage, or red camouflage, and it destroys it because they can't sense it, which is pretty cool. I don't know what exactly I'm saving up for. I might just save it for Dragon's Breath. But if I need to do anything... Yeah, I'm gonna save it for Dragon's Breath. Get overpowered. Wait. 18. Alright. Hopefully I have enough for Dragon's Breath. And a, Oh no, he's got... Yeah, I'm saving up for Dragon's Breath. He's got it, so I'm saving up for it. No questions asked. Come on. Give me Dragon's Breath. I need Dragon's Breath now. That's probably not the best decision. But I don't give a shit. Faster reduction. Faster! No! No! Okay. Come on, move. Go. 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 That Dragon's Breath is gonna completely destroy it. Come on! Yes! Alright, GG. Whew. Alright. Let's see if he does a rematch. Alright, no. Can't. I'm sorry. I'm gonna end the video there. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did, be sure you hit the like button. I'll see you all in the next video that I decide to do. Be sure you check out all the members of the Coco Squad, because, I will be doing that soon. Yeah, be sure you check out the other episodes of, what was this game called? Bloons TD Battles. And I'll see you all in the next video I decide to do. See you all in the next video.